Watches are more than just something that tells time. So naturally, you want your watch to last and continue looking great for years to come. But there are some common mistakes that many of us make, without even realizing it, that can shorten your watch's lifespan. That's why today, we'll go through the ultimate guide on what not to do when caring for your watch. Without further delay, let's dive in.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
Setting the date on your watch during the midnight hours, especially between 9 p.m. and 3 a.m., is a big watch care taboo. Why? Because during this time, the watch's date-changing mechanism is at work. Messing with it could throw off the delicate gears and springs, and you definitely don't want your watch feeling jet-lagged. Wearing your watch too tight leaves funky marks on your skin and also puts unnecessary pressure on the watch. That's why, while wearing it, just loosen it a bit to avoid the unnecessary pressure. Your watch might have a fancy-sounding feature called a chronograph, which is like a mini stopwatch. But here's the deal. Unless you're sure how to operate it, don't play around with the buttons. Incorrect use can throw off the timing and even damage the chronograph function. Next, although your watch may be durable, it is not indestructible. Avoid hitting it against hard surfaces. Watches are delicate on the inside and won't handle a rough lifestyle well. Handle it gently so that it continues to function properly. Watches and magnets are like oil and water. They just don't mix. To maintain the accuracy of your watch's movement, it is important to keep it away from magnetic objects such as your smartphone or fridge magnets. Otherwise, your timepiece may start displaying the incorrect time. Do you know that a watch can't handle extreme weather? Yeah, whether it's a scorching summer day or a chilly winter night, extreme heat or cold can mess with your watch's internal workings. So if you're sunbathing in the Sahara or building snowmen in Antarctica, you should keep the watch away from this. Maybe leaving the watch at home will be a better option. Desert adventures are cool, but not for watches. Sand can sneak into the smallest places and grind away at your watch's parts. In this case, if you're going to the beach, leave your luxury watch at home or carry it safely below your sleeve. First things first, watches and water don't always play nice. Avoid swimming or showering with your watch on. Sure, it might claim to be water resistant, but that does not always go with every watch. Water can creep into even narrow and small crevices that damage the delicate innards of your watch, so make sure to protect it from water damage. Chemicals can harm your watch, so it's best to avoid wearing it when applying sunscreen or bug spray. The chemicals can cause the metal to tarnish, colors to fade, and overall damage the look of your watch. It's best to remove your watch before using hairspray on your hair. The mist from hairspray can leave a sticky and difficult to remove film on your watch. Another common mistake that you might also make is wearing a watch and bracelet together. Bracelets and watches together might seem like a style statement, but it's a big no-no for watches. The continuous friction between them can lead to scratches and scuffs, making your watch lose its shine. So let your watch shine solo on your wrist and save those bracelets for another time. Unless you're a certified watch mechanic, do not attempt to repair your watch yourself. DIY repairs may seem like a fun project, but one mistake could cause your watch to stop working. It is best to leave the repairs to the professionals. Cleaning your watch is a good idea, but scrubbing it like you're washing dishes isn't. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to give it a gentle wipe. Scrubbing too hard can scratch the surface or make your watch feel like it just went through a spin cycle. Sleeping, exercising, or wrestling with your cat, it doesn't matter what you're doing, take your watch off. Constant rubbing and friction can wear down the strap or scratch the casing, so you should keep that in mind when you take off your watch to run it for long. There you have it, the ultimate guide to watch care. So treat it right, avoid these watch care don'ts, and you'll have a trusty timekeeping sidekick for years to come. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your watch care routine with us in the comments section.